Okay, we've been working on the inside. As you can see, we've got this taken out in here, and all this in here. So now we're going to switch to the front side and open this up some. Be sure you put the back of the head in when you put it in your vise. Because if you over tighten it without that in there, you'll split your wood open. Enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I appreciate it. Got any questions, feel free to ask in my comment section. Open that up a little bit so we can get our Dremel tool inside. See how we opened this up in here, so now I can go inside and take a little bit more out on the inside. And we'll go back from the front to the back until we get the sides. You just want to make sure you don't get above outside your lines here, or your eye will fall through. Then you'll have to use some kind of bracing in the back if that happens. But this part here you want to take your time at. Want to take a little bit at a time. If you can see, we've opened it up on the inside where we cut that. That way we don't go too deep on it. So we'll do the same to the other side, then we'll come back to the next step. Thanks for watching.